Okay, guys, so we've got EY here today from Rockwell, and he's made something called Robotnet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk through it for you. So a new self-propelling dust weed control net. So that's this bit here. According to a 2005 press release, a company called Rockwell began selling a self-propelled preventing net for scattered debris weeds under the name Robotnet. The system mounts a protective net to the self-propelled cart. So you have the net here, and you have this little self-propelled cart down here, controlled, intended to streamline roadside or infrastructure maintenance like grass cutting, requiring manpower. Key specs: the net size is 2 meters, so it's 2 meters.
Yes.
2 meters. Is it smaller or bigger?
Uh, Small.
Smaller, yeah.
Oh.
Full size, like yeah. Do you 5 meter one, 10 meter one? No.
No.
2 meter, yeah. 1 meter.
Yes.
Okay, you go
No
smaller.
problem.
Okay. So he does like different sizes. The car is battery powered, DC 24 volt from 4 car batteries. Speed so 1 to 2 kilometers an hour.
Right?
So 1 kilometer an hour, 2 kilometer an hour.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You got the speed. Continuous for 18 kilometers. 135 kilogram.
Yes.
135 kilogram. Okay. The motivation in typical roadside mowing or weed cutting, you need 3 people: mower operator, net holder, and traffic controller. With RoboNet, the mower operator can handle the net themselves, eliminating the net holder, reducing labor needs. Okay, so you normally have 3 people
Yeah.
do the job, and now you have 2 people
Yes.
and robot. Okay, cool. The release claims that it was the world's first such self-propelling net solution. Thus, in 2025, RoboNet appears to refer to a novel maintenance landscape maintenance device rather than traditional robot. RoboNet's industry product protocol, blah, 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 blah. So I'm just skipping through some of this. Manufacturing, no. I think it's okay. Yeah, no, I like it. So industrial roadside use.
Yeah.
Roadside. Okay, guys. Yeah. So that's a quick overview of RoboNet, and I'll put some other videos in there. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Okay, cool.